art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Wonder Bowser Jr. from Super Mario Galaxy, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started slightly further over to the right, and we're going to draw an arch line right in the center for the bridge of the nose. We'll come down in the middle for the nostril, curving this line out, and then we'll step across on the right hand side, just replicating that. Now from here underneath, from that point, we're going to curve this down and up, and then we'll replicate this on the right. Let's round this out now. So on this edge, we're just going to curve this over, tucking this all the way through and in to the middle. And then we'll step across on the right hand side, rounding that edge out as well, tucking this all the way around and in, joining that together right in the middle. Let's come up on the left hand side from that corner. We're going to curve this over and through to the middle. And then stepping across on the right, replicating that. We're just going to blend this in together on that line. Now coming down in the center, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. And then we'll step across again, replicating that. Let's move out, drawing in another diagonal line coming across. And then again, let's move out, bringing that diagonal line through to the top. We'll curve this out slightly to the edge, leaving a gap. Let's tuck that in. So from that point, we're just going to curve this into the middle. Now let's draw a diagonal line coming down again to the bottom. We're just going to end that at the same height. Let's draw a small diagonal line coming through to the top. Now from here, we're going to bring this down to the bottom again. And then we'll bring that back through to the middle. Let's move up, let's step down. So again, diagonal line on each side. We're basically just replicating the pattern above. So now we're going to bring another diagonal line coming through on either side. And then again, just bringing this across. Now let's step out, drawing a diagonal line coming through to the side. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this out to the left and right, following the top. Now from that point, let's curve this in. Again, let's pull this diagonal line down, following the shape above. Let's continue to bring this through as we come across. Now let's bring this all the way down to the bottom again. And then lastly, just drawing our last two diagonal lines, joining at a point in the middle. Now let's move up for the eyebrows. So from the center on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up to the top, ending that at the same height on both sides. Now from that point, we're just going to curve this line back in to the middle. Now from here, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming out on both sides. And then from that point, just dragging this line back in to the bridge of the nose there. Let's draw on our eyes. We're just going to draw in a small circle. So on the inside, let's curve this down to the bridge of the nose. And then stepping across to the side, we're just going to arch this back around and in to the bottom. Let's add a highlight. So we're going to draw in a circle right on the top. And then now from here, we'll just color in the eyes black. Let's close off the top of the head. So we're just going to draw in a nice big curved line right in the center. And now let's bring that down on both sides. So we're going to curve that in. Stepping up in the center, we're going to draw two straight lines, ending those at the same height. And then we'll draw in a curved line connecting those together. To the right of this, we're going to curve this out, tucking that over and in. We're gonna bend this now. So we're gonna curve this back out, around, and down. Continuing to stretch this across, starting back on this line, curving this out, around, and in. And then again, we'll just continue this line as we curve this up, down, and over to the left. From this point now, we're gonna curve this up, down, and then in to the middle, closing that off. Let's come down for the body. So underneath, we're gonna draw in a nice big arch line, curving this over and through to the right. We're gonna add in a curved line coming into the side and then extending that through to the right. Let's drop underneath, and again, we're just gonna curve this all the way over to the side. Let's drop down, closing off the center of the belly here. We're just gonna arch that across. Now for the bottom of the foot, curving that through to the side, ending that at the same height on the bottom. Now for the rest of the foot, we're just gonna curve this line out. From that point, curving this back up and into the middle. Let's extend this line out again. So we're going to curve this across. And now from that point, curving that over and back in. Again, let's extend this line out on the side. And then from that point, just rounding the top of the foot out, drawing that back into the middle. Now for the claws, we're just going to draw in a curved line in each open space here on the toe as we pull this down to the bottom. Let's round out the leg. So on each side, we're just going to curve this into the center of the body, just leaving a small gap. And then we'll curve this line up to the top for the side of the torso. Let's focus on the right arm first. So we're going to curve this line over and across, and then we'll come up on a diagonal, same height, dragging that line back in. Let's close this off now with a curved line from top to bottom, and then we'll come down again underneath, replicating that. Let's add in a circle here now. So right on the very top here, we're just going to draw a circle, and then we'll move underneath, drawing in a second circle. Now on the bottom, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines, creating a triangle. And then we'll just draw 1 diagonal line coming into the face on the top. Let's draw the hand now. So from that point, we're going to round the thumb out, curving that over, pulling that back in. Let's draw on the first finger. So we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. We'll do the exact same thing as we step across, curving this around, pulling that back in. And then we'll do this one last time, curving this over and up. Now from the side, let's curve this around and in towards the finger. Let's come across on the side for the back of the shell, curving that down. And then we're just gonna add a small triangle, so a diagonal line coming up. And then from that point, just pulling that diagonal line back in again. Let's add the tail on the right side here too. So from this corner, we're just gonna curve that out on a diagonal. And then from that point, rounding that out on the side in towards the knee. Now let's come across drawing in the left arm. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. We'll drop down from this edge, replicating that, extending that so it ends at the same width. Let's connect this with a curved line. And then let's drop down again, replicating that. Let's move in towards the top, drawing in a small circle. And then dropping down again underneath that, adding our second circle. We're going to add 2 diagonal lines on the top to create a triangle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the bottom. Let's draw in another curved line for the back of the shell, tucking that in. And then we're going to add in 2 more diagonal lines to create a triangle on the side. Let's draw in this hand now. So from the top for the thumb, curving this around, tucking that up. For that first finger, again, drawing in an arch line. Moving down in towards the center, curving this over, tucking that back up. And then again for the pinky, one more time, moving down, curving this over and through. Now let's come in for the handle. We're going to draw a diagonal line connecting it to this line, and then we're just going to extend this through. We're going to line this up at the same height on the left-hand side, pulling that line up. And then we'll close this off on the bottom with a curved line. Let's move up here. We're going to draw in a circle, just slightly above the hand. And then right in the middle, let's draw in another circle. Let's move across underneath, drawing in 2 more diagonal lines coming down at the same width as our line on the bottom. We're going to draw in a nice big circle above this. So starting from the center here, let's curve this around. And we're going to tuck this all the way around, curving that back towards the middle. Let's add in some triangles here now. So from the middle here, we're going to step over. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. And now from that point, let's drag this diagonal line back down on both sides. On the side again, drawing in a diagonal line coming out. And then from that point, pulling that back into the middle. Let's come down again, another diagonal line coming through to the bottom. And then we're going to drag this line back up to the center. Now as we come down underneath, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines, one from each side. And then we'll pull that diagonal line back across to that circle. Let's add in some of the spikes in the middle. So coming through on a diagonal, we're just going to curve this line up. And then we're going to close this off with a diagonal line on each side, joining at a point to create our triangle there. Let's move down underneath, drawing in another curved line. And then again, 2 more diagonal lines joining at a point in the center. We'll step across to the right, curving that over. And then we're going to draw this diagonal line coming in, stepping up, pulling this down, joining it together. And now let's add in some of the spikes behind. So on the top here, a diagonal line coming out, pulling that back down for the triangle. We'll replicate this on the right beside the eyebrow. To the left, we're going to come down here, bringing this line out and then back down. And that is it. That's how you draw Wonder Bowser Jr. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.